Hey guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about Lesson 2, Arrangement. So, why do we need to use this function? There are two simple reasons. The first one is for Outlook. The layout of our PowerPoint will be clearer and easier to understand if we make good use of this function. And the other reason is that it can make us easier to operate pictures and text boxes. So, how to use this function? First, select the thing you want to arrange. Second, click Home from the toolbar. Last, arrange on the right side. After these steps, you will see the function we will focus on today, which is Group and Align. In the function Align, we will talk about Align Left, Align Center, and Align Right today. Now, let's see the sample video together to see where the function is. I click Home, and then I click Arrange, then I click Align. You can see the functions over here. After the video, we will start to learn the function Align. So, how to use it? First, left-click on the task box you want to move. Second, click Home, Arrange, and then Align. Now, let's see the sample video to see how this function works. Left-click the text box, Arrangement, and click Home, Arrange, and then Align. And let's see how Align Left, Right, and Center looks like. After the video, let's talk about the difference between the two functions Paragraph and Align. Let's see a video first. Now I use the function Paragraph. And now I use the function Align. Through this video, we can see that when using Paragraph, only the text inside the text box will move. However, when using Align, the entire text box will move. So that is the reason why we need to learn both functions. After learning Align, let's talk about another function, which is called Group. So, how to use this function? First, select the text boxes you want to group. Second, click Home, Arrange, and then click Group. Now, let's learn how to select text boxes through this example. First, hold Ctrl. Second, left-click on Taiwan number 1. Third, left-click on I love Taiwan. Now, let's see how Group works on texts through this video. As you can see, at first, there are two separate text boxes. Now, I want to use the function Group. After using it, it becomes one text box. Group can be used on pictures as well. Let's see through this video. As you can see, these are two separate pictures at first. After I use the function Group, you can see that it now becomes one picture. So, this is the class today. It's your turn to practice now. See you next time. Bye.